This is another Dinky Supertoy that I have in my collection. This is a British van. It's called an Express Horsebox hire service, which is meant to transport horses. Very good condition, like new. No paint chips. Tires are great. The rubber tires do not crack. Decals showing on this vehicle. There's a side ramp that opens and closes, and there's a rear ramp that opens and closes. The only thing that this van does not have is a plastic horse that came with this initially, but I'm on my search for that. Anyway, this is a good example. There's the underside. Again, the tires and the axles are good condition. There's the top. The rear end with the ramp closed. And the side, the front. I believe this is a Foden British truck. Here's the ramp on the side that's closed. Anyway, I appreciate you watching this, and thank you very much.